How to log in to Bitget Wallet mobile application. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Finalizing, and in this video I'll guide you on how you can log in to Bitget Wallet. Well, if you want to log in or sign up on Bitget Wallet, the process is simple. You can simply either head into bitget.com and log into your account. However, if you haven't yet created an account, you can create the account as well. However, if you want to do it on app, simply go ahead and install the app. I've already made a separate video on how you can download and install the app, so you can check it out. However, once you get the app, tap on continue and go ahead and continue. You can allow the notifications if you want, or don't allow it if you don't want it. Then you can tap on get started here. As you can see here, it says welcome to Bitget. You are on the login page now. Simply enter in your email and password and log in if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, you want to enter in your email, enter in your password, and then tap on create account. However, make sure to tick on this and tap on create account and go ahead create account. Or if you want to create with mobile number, you can use your phone number and create account. The easiest way would be to simply tap on login with Google or Apple or Telegram and connect your ID and log in easily. If you do have an account, tap on login at the top right and go ahead and log into your account here. So I'll just tap on Google here and then choose the account, and then you should be able to log in quick. So this is how you can log in or sign up to Bitget Wallet. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues as well.